Namaskar, dear colleagues. On this auspicious day, I am taking this opportunity to salute all my colleagues of Bharatiya Samaj who are functioning throughout the nation. Today we are celebrating the 69th Foundation Day. Decades ago, this day, BSS was established by our national leaders with the approval of Indian Parliament on the recommendation of Planning Commission, Government of India. As everyone knows, Bharatiya Samaj was established as the extension body of plan programs, otherwise Planning Commission, to undertake the government programs. According to our founder chairman, the first vice chairman of Planning Commission, Gulsara Nanda, clearly stated that Bharatiya Samaj is the limb of Planning Commission. Hence, the organization focused on following objects: to find out and develop awareness of voluntary services for the citizens of India, to promote national sufficiency and to build up the economic strength of the country, to promote the social and moral well-being of the community, and to mitigate the privations and hardships of its less favored sections, to draw out the available unused time, energy, and other resources of the people and direct them into various fields of social and economic activity, to take steps which are necessary for the fulfillment of the aforesaid objects. During the early years, BSS has undertaken so many development programs like construction of dams, roads, bridges, schools, and renovated many slums and have done many welfare activities. Now BSS undertakes various development programs and projects. The unique programs identified by BSS throughout the nation is vocational education and microfinance. We had trained more than 4 million people throughout the nation covering various skill sectors. 4 million people throughout the nation we have trained in the last 5 decades. As you know, the nation upholds the slogan Skill India, Digital India. Our Prime Minister and the Parliament declared these are the flagship programs of the country. BSS is self-dedicated to function as an organization which can help in achieving this goal. To fulfill this, BSS is establishing vocational training centers all over the country. Those who are interested to work with Bharatiya Samaj, we are welcoming those people to associate with Bharatiya Samaj. To undertake this program can be a part of this noble venture. We can work together and achieve the national goal as a united force. And now, BSS focus on the slogan, Mera Bharat, Surashit Bharat. BSS do feel that each citizen should have great values, a vision for the well-being of the humankind, and should be proud of as an Indian. To fulfill the dream of a sustainable, well-built nation who have to uphold the slogan, Mera Bharat, Surashit Bharat. Our culture is to serve others, and the same shall be practiced by each one of us. Hence, as the first step towards this, we should support and serve our neighbors. Today, BSS is announcing Lok Karya Kshetra. During the 50s and 60s, our nation had several Lok Karya Kshetras all over the country, which had undertaken a lot of community development initiatives. Through the Lok Karya Kshetra, a common platform can be arranged for technocrats, social workers, doctors, engineers, writers, teachers, lawyers, politicians, officials, other organizations, and people from all walks of life to assemble, discuss, and plan how the citizens can be helped by each other to build a powerful nation that can lead the world. BSS has decided to form 1 lakh Lokarya Kshetras within year 2025. Lokarya Kshetra will act as a common facility center, common development center, and capacity building center, so as on. Each Bharat Sevak should find out time and energy to serve mankind, which in turn can help in nation building. It is a matter of great pride that in the nation, thousands of workers of the Samaj is really providing their mettle as Bharat Sevak. Those who are interested to join this mission movement can join Bharat Se Samaj with confidence, raising the slogan of Mera Bharat Surashit Bharat and working towards it. I hope all Bharat Sevak people will unite together, and we want to build a new nation. We want to become a very strong, powerful nation. For that, we can dedicate ourselves for the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.